This tutorial will familiarize you with the settings menu and the basic functions of the TPACquisition software. From your desktop, click the TPACquisition icon to go to the settings menu. All of the settings can be changed from this screen. Here is a brief overview of the settings menu. This section is the encoder parameters. This area gives you all of your scan parameters. Here is where you can set visual parameters such as color display. On the Settings tab, click the folder to select the settings file to use. This file contains the scanned information. Once selected, the scanned information will appear on the screen. Here is an example at a low scan speed. You can adjust the scan speed here. 1 kHz is generally a reasonable scan speed. At this scan speed, you can see the image refresh much faster and update more smoothly. PRF stands for Pulse Repetition Frequency. Basically, the higher the frequency, the faster it pulses. You can experiment with different scan speeds here or scan at the maximum speed. You can connect using USB 3.0 or with an Ethernet connection. When using either option, the scan speed will automatically adjust accordingly. The gain section controls the signal's strength. If you decrease the analog gain, the signal goes down. Analog gain is an amplification of the signal. Digital gain is a multiplier in the hardware and doesn't affect the signal. Click here to go to different scan views. This is the A scan and the B scan. The B scan is the two-dimensional picture, and the A scan is the actual signal for a given angle. You can change the angle you are viewing by clicking here. You can also click the keyboard shortcut Page Up or Page Down. Another way to change this view is with the mouse wheel. This view is called reflected. It gives you absolute value of signals. You can view the full RF signal view by clicking here. If you need to flip the image for inspection purposes, you can do so by clicking here. This is where you can change the different scan views. The C scan gets filled in as you start acquiring data. This is a top-down image. Distance amplitude correction, or DAC for short, helps with showing things that are further away and displaying a weaker signal. DAC helps these areas appear with stronger signal strength. This feature is called the DAC curve. To do this manually, double-click here to place a point. You can also put another point to adjust the gain in different areas. Enable or disable DAC correction here. You can experiment with the DAC feature and view different results to the image. You can hide this feature by clicking here. DAC will continue to work while hidden as long as it is still enabled. Range function affects the visibility at different depths of the material. The signal reflects back from the bottom of the material and returns visible in the image. You can remove the noise at the top of the image by going to the Settings menu. You can change the starting point here for the image. Cursors can be used for changing sizes of objects in the image. You can change any color parameters here. Click Change, then go to File and Default Settings to return to the default setting. If you want to look just at a particular section, use the Gate feature. To use this feature, control and click in the B-scan area. After creating a region, only the data within the gate will be acquired. This concludes the software tutorial. For more information and tutorials, visit our website, thephasedarraycompany.com.